Morning, people. Sunday. We're here at the new baby. Today we're going to be swapping out the speakers in the back and on the door panels. I'm waiting for my son-in-law to show up so he can help me do the doors. But I already took one out. 6x9s. I did the Infinty, the PR9601is, which are pretty good deal on eBay. So 360 watts. I'm not gonna do an amp yet. So you have 6x9s in the front, 2 door panels, and then 6x9s in the back and the rear. Which is, thought it was going to be a little bit more complicated to pop that off. It's just it's easy, not that complicated. So you just got to pop off, what was it, 1, 2, 3, about 4 of these off the back cover. These 2 here, these are magnets, and there's a magnet in the back. You don't have to take the back part off because it'll just hang. And then of course you got to take the top cover off because the bolts are from the top going down. So I didn't think it was like that, but it is. So you put the seats down, of course. It's got the cover. Not that complicated. And you got to pop these off just a little bit. Get those off, and so you slide that cover off because it's in the way. You might break it if you don't take them off. They just pop off. And you just put the cover on and pop it back in. So that's where the 6x9s and the new ones are going. So yeah, it'll be fun. I'm not doing the amp yet. Just gonna run them, have a little better sound for now, and then when I go to Cali, I'll do the sounds, do a little box in there. So this is my ride. A lot of upgrades in the last 3 weeks. It's just, you know, the toy. But yeah, we're doing what we can. Well, I did that little detail yesterday. A little stripe. I'm gonna do the back today. I mean the other side, the right side today. Looks pretty good, I think. Look, good accent. So it's getting there. Of course, I put the 392 in the middle of the hood. I didn't want to do the whole thing. I just did that. I think it's different and it looks good. So I'm gonna put the license plate holder on the bottom of the spoiler, so it's kind of like a no drill thing. You know, it's gonna be weight low, so it's gonna look good. So I'll do that today. I did my trunk, the black vinyl. I'm gonna do the roof, but I haven't had the material in yet, so I took the fin off. I've been playing with the fin. I just put a piece of vinyl up there to cover the hole. So yeah, but these are going in today. I'll do a video on how to remove and how to install the speakers on door panels, because I was looking for it but I couldn't find it. There's nobody out there, I guess, and it's fairly easy. So we'll see. I'll keep you guys posted later.